Welcome to BJ Garlic's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean your garlic seed before planting, along with doing a fertilization soak. We've got 15 pounds of garlic seed, so we're going to use two 5-gallon buckets here. We're going to drill 4 holes in the bottom and 2 in the sides of one. And now the top bucket is ready for drainage. So the one with the holes in it, we're going to dump our garlic seed in. We've got 15 pounds of music seed here. 15 pounds seems to be the ideal weight for the 5-gallon bucket here. We're going to take 3 gallons of hydrogen peroxide, 3%. You don't want to dilute this. You're going to pour it in until it starts to float. Now be careful, because if you overfill, you're going to overflow the bottom bucket there. But 3 gallons seems to do really well with this setup. And now you start to see the garlic seed kind of float to the top. You're just about there. We used all 3 gallons of the HP, so now we're just going to let this sit and soak in a corner for about 10 minutes, and on to the next step. Okay, while our garlic seed is soaking and getting its bath, we're going to do the same thing for the garlic fertilization soak. We're going to take 2 5-gallon buckets, drill holes into the one bucket, the other one leave whole. We're going to reuse our HP jugs here, the 1-gallon jugs. Same formula here. It's going to be 3 gallons to the 5-gallon bucket setup. So we're going to fill those with water. Okay, as we're filling out for the next step, we're going to talk about the next step, fish emulsion. We're using fish emulsion here. You can get this in a lot of places, even on Amazon if you wanted to. I'll leave a link down below in the comment area to show you what we've used here for today's video. But again, we're just going to use a fish emulsion. There is a measurement according to how much you guys are using here. Just keep track of, your gallons, your pints, your quarts, all that good stuff. On the back of the instructions, it'll tell you the formula that you're going to want to use. Basically, we're using a cup per 5 gallons here of the fish emulsion, and we're also going to be using some baking soda. So baking soda is going to be 1 teaspoon per gallon, I believe it is, but this formula is going to be 1 tablespoon per 3 gallons. And somewhat of a correction on the video, you really only need 3 buckets. You could literally just take this and drain your garlic seed from its bath and then just drop it directly into the fish emulsion. That's what we've done here. So really you only need 3 buckets to do this. We had several buckets. We've got hundreds of pounds of garlic that we're putting in the ground here, but just be careful when you're submerging this bucket. You can overflow again if it goes down too fast. Kind of just gently let it soak up to the top there, and you'll start to see it float again. And then we're going to just leave it for 24 hours for us to plant the next day. It is quite all right if the skins fall off during this process. They'll grow new skins. If there's any questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.